Dear listeners, welcome to Al Siraj Online Academy. Stay with me. This story will improve your English while showing you how two students change the internet. You will learn simple vocabulary and sentence patterns you can use every day. Today's story is about Google. It began as a student project, not a giant company. In 1996, two students at Stanford University, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, wanted to organize the internet. At that time, finding information online was slow and messy. Their idea was simple: make search results accurate and fast. They worked in a small room with very limited money. Their passion kept them going. Vocabulary. Accurate means correct and exact. Organize means to arrange things in a clear way. Limited means not enough. Many people did not believe their idea was special. Some thought it would fail. Money was a serious problem. They did not quit. They improved their search engine every single day. Soon, users noticed that Google gave better results. Today, Google is one of the strongest companies in the world. And it all started from a simple student idea. Vocabulary review. Accurate, organized, limited examples. Google gives accurate results. They wanted to organize the internet. They worked with limited resources. For more simple English stories, subscribe and keep learning with me.